So I was reading this book about Salvador Dali. Actually, it was a book by Salvador Dali, and he goes to all these rules of how he does his paintings, and actually, it doesn't apply with what we know as painting today. But one thing that this book taught me is that you have to have a process to do what you do. Dalai Lama, not Dalai Lama, it's another another artist. Salvador Dali. He had so many specific details about his painting. So, for example, he never dries artificially the first layers of the painting. So he did like 12 layers of just underpainting, and he never artificially dried neither one of these layers. And I thought to myself how I can bring this to what I do. I was looking for my style, what my style was, my style of drawing, painting. So what I realized was that when you make choices along your process to do specific things, for example, in my case, I use just a specific set of brushes when I'm drawing digitally, and I use just a specific set of color palettes, and I do not go out of that. That doesn't make my style better than others, that doesn't make me better than other artists. But what this actually does is that makes your art very unique. So in my case, that is what I learned from Salvador Dali's book.